I like to be as attentive as possible to our patients. If they're in pain, I want to get there as soon as possible. If they're having a bad day or they're upset, I want to be there with them side by side. And I think all the nurses and staff at Merriam Hospital do that. I'm Allie Markarian, and I'm a registered nurse at Merriam Hospital. When I was 14, I was diagnosed with stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma. I remember towards the end of my treatment, I just kind of had it. I wasn't feeling well, and my nurse Paula came in and said, this is your last day, and once you're done with this, we're on to radiation and you're in remission and you can go on being a normal 14-year-old. Paula just had this comfort to her. Whenever I was nauseous or not feeling well or that I wanted to give up, she was always upbeat with me. She would always call me funny names. I felt safe with Paula and secure that nothing would happen under her watch.
Hi,
Good, how about you? So good to see you.
I'm happy to have been able to help Allie get healthy again and to maybe be a role model and give her ideas about what she wanted to do with her life.
After the care that I received at Hasbro Children's Hospital between my doctors and nurses, it inspired me to become a nurse when I went into remission. I had a patient here that just recently got diagnosed with colon cancer. And when I came into the room, I said, I know you're really nervous about this. I don't know if this could help you, but I'm a survivor. I had stage 4 cancer. I know this is a nerve-wracking time. And he started asking me questions about his hair and what's going to happen to him. And I gave him advice and I said, look at me, I feel great now and this is what I'm doing with my life. And he said, wow, this really made me feel better. This gave me so much hope. You're such a good example of a survivor.
I think it was just a natural thing for Allie to want to give back after everything that she went through. I think it just touched her heart and she wanted to continue, pay it forward. And I'm happy I could be a little part of it.
She asked me how I liked nursing, and she said, we have so many teenagers going through what you went through, and you kept such a positive attitude throughout the whole thing, and she said that I was a great patient. So being a nurse now, that meant a lot to me, knowing that I had a positive impact on her as well. Because of all the aggressive treatment that I received, I will be a patient and have to follow up for the rest of my life with follow-up appointments with secondary cancers and repercussions of that. But from this point on, I've always kept a positive attitude and hope for the best, and I believe that I will live a long and healthy life.